Alright, so this is a very uncomfortable area to be in. I am inside under my sink. Not sure what you can see. This is a rare view. So while we're in here, why don't we talk about the touchless unit that I put in. So by wave of a hand, you can turn on your water. So I installed that. It's very, very cramped in here. You got to get your hands way up in there. I'm telling you, I think that to be a plumber and mechanic, you got to be a contortionist. So there you go. If I can do it, listen, anybody can do this stuff. So that was fun. I installed one previous to this one. And then the plumber did the first one. So there's a battery pack right here. That they want you to put that close to where you're going to be. Let me tell you what, my head is really tired right now. So basically, now here's our copper coming in from the dishwasher in the drain. Thankfully, you'll recall me saying, I hope that there's enough hose, and there is. So now, clearly that's not the right size clamp. I gotta get the other clamp, but I'm certainly not going to bring you back in with me. However, enjoy the journey out. I am not a small person, and so this is not easy for me. That's why most of the time I call a plumber. Alright, so another thing that I did in the meantime was to push the unit back up in there. And so there's that. It's already level. It's fine. It's all level. I just have to screw this bracket underside so that it holds everything in place. And that'll be that. The water is already on. That's right. Let me show you this down here. There's your water. The hardest part of the whole project so far has been connecting that copper to the plastic. And I already turned the water pressure on. The water's on. I wanted to make sure I didn't have any surprises. So I like to go incrementally as I go along, okay? So there you go. Mr. Homeowner, S.E. Custom Designs, doing this type of thing because we have to. I paid a lot of money to have almost $2,000 to have other types of things done, such as this. So wait, between the floor joists, there's a lot of plumbing, and the plumber didn't hardly have any room to do what he had to. So my tub, toilet, and sink all come down through there. The previous plumber had the plumbing too high. It wasn't the proper drain or pitch. Okay, so that's where the watershed, it was going uphill. So what was happening was a lot of gunk was up in there. So look at all the work I had to do just to get that. I had to take this cover out of the way. The microwave, I had to drop that as well. So that's right here. My son Josh will help me to get that back. I got one son that likes to help me. Thank God for that. So, all right. Back down here. Some of the gotchas were I was really not thinking about when I put the drain hose through the first hole that there was a second hole. Whoops. So there you go. All right, if you just take your time, read the manual that doesn't make any sense to you, read that over and over and over again. Of course, there's lots of YouTube videos on this stuff now, and I'm just Mr. Homeowner doing my own. All right, the next one will be the final one, which is the Joy. Oh yeah, there is a sideboard. Let me bring it in. That you put here, and that's going to close that gap. Okay, basically that goes in there. All right, so that's that.
All right.
I think the next one will be the one that'll be finishing up the unit.